Artificial intelligence now helps manage the world's most advanced cities. Many governments rely on intelligent systems to improve daily operations. Public institutions increasingly depend on artificial intelligence for decision-making. National infrastructure is connected through powerful digital networks. Government data centers process information faster than ever before. AI systems provide leaders with real-time recommendations and analysis. Advanced surveillance networks help monitor critical public infrastructure. Citizens receive information through intelligent public communication systems. Artificial intelligence analyzes vast amounts of national data every day. Transportation networks operate through automated coordination systems. Healthcare services are increasingly connected through intelligent technology. Governments use AI to understand economic changes more quickly. Autonomous security systems help protect public spaces and infrastructure. National databases connect millions of citizens through digital services. Artificial intelligence monitors environmental conditions across large regions. Digital identity systems simplify access to government programs. Advanced legal systems use technology to improve administrative efficiency. Cybersecurity teams rely on AI to defend national networks. Digital tools. Emergency response systems react faster with intelligent coordination. Transportation hubs operate more efficiently through automation. Education systems become increasingly personalized through technology. Government communication networks connect people across entire nations. Artificial intelligence helps balance energy production and distribution. Citizens interact with digital assistants for public services. Advanced monitoring systems support large transportation networks. AI evaluates complex policy scenarios using predictive models. Infrastructure maintenance becomes increasingly automated and efficient. National command centers coordinate multiple public systems simultaneously. Government services become available instantly through digital platforms. Economic planning relies heavily on artificial intelligence analysis. Autonomous drones support environmental monitoring programs. Food distribution systems become more efficient through automation. Public information networks provide real-time updates to citizens. Human leaders work closely with intelligent policy systems. Transportation authorities coordinate autonomous mobility networks. Government research centers continue developing advanced AI technologies. Disaster response systems use predictive intelligence to save lives. Citizens participate through advanced digital governance platforms. Entire cities operate smoothly through intelligent infrastructure systems. National security agencies analyze risks using AI-powered tools. Healthcare resources are distributed through automated coordination systems. Legal frameworks are supported by intelligent information systems. Environmental agencies monitor climate conditions continuously. Communication towers connect government systems across vast regions. Transportation networks move people with remarkable efficiency. Governments process public feedback through intelligent analysis systems. Leaders study AI-generated projections about the future. The future of government becomes increasingly connected to artificial intelligence. Autonomous security systems now monitor major cities around the clock. Advanced surveillance networks help governments track activity across public spaces. Children grow up surrounded by intelligent technology and digital environments. Future museums teach history through immersive holographic experiences. Autonomous vehicles move through cities without traffic or human drivers. Many people spend more time alone despite constant digital connection. AI executives increasingly replace human managers inside corporate organizations. Military drone fleets operate with precision across national security networks. Old family memories become precious in a rapidly changing world. Some people find companionship through intelligent robotic assistants. Digital entertainment becomes more immersive than traditional human experiences. Climate-controlled cities protect citizens from increasingly extreme weather. Many residents live inside highly automated smart environments. Public protests emerge as technology gains more influence over society. Scientists continue building machines that look and and think more like humans. Neural interfaces connect people directly to intelligent systems. Holographic performers entertain audiences inside futuristic digital arenas. Advanced robotic surgery becomes common inside modern hospitals. Human artists compete against AI-generated content every day. Autonomous transportation networks connect entire regions effortlessly. Underground transport systems move millions through connected smart cities. Many workers feel isolated inside increasingly automated workplaces. Shopping districts become filled with holographic stores and AI assistants. Children watch a future shaped by machines from their windows. Emergency response systems rely heavily on intelligent automation. Financial districts operate through powerful algorithms and predictive systems. Restaurants use robotic chefs to prepare meals with perfect consistency. Traditional businesses struggle to compete with automated alternatives. Communication towers connect billions of devices through AI networks. Some people turn to AI companions for emotional support. AI courts help governments process legal decisions faster. Autonomous robots maintain public spaces across major cities. Many elderly people look back at a world before AI. Delivery drones move constantly above futuristic city skylines. Universities transform into highly personalized digital learning systems. People increasingly disconnect from reality through immersive technology. Massive media networks influence how citizens understand the world. AI-powered security checkpoints become normal in public life. Some citizens worry about growing surveillance and loss of privacy. The future continues moving toward deeper integration between humans and machines. AI-controlled city councils now help shape national policies. Autonomous shipping systems move goods across the world efficiently. Digital libraries preserve knowledge through intelligent information networks. Governments use AI to predict environmental changes and disasters. Public behavior is increasingly analyzed through connected digital systems. Advanced humanoid robots work alongside humans in many industries. Social media evolves into immersive AI-driven virtual environments. Futuristic cafes become gathering places for digital interaction. Massive AI server systems process unimaginable amounts of information daily. Human workers continue disappearing as automation expands into new industries. Advanced security systems now screen travelers through intelligent airport networks. Future shopping districts glow with interactive holographic advertisements. Many people revisit memories from a world before artificial intelligence. Autonomous farming systems help produce food with remarkable efficiency. Yet not every citizen benefits equally from technological progress. Futuristic skylines shine brightly beneath endless layers of digital infrastructure. Human creativity continues competing against rapidly advancing AI systems. Flying transportation networks connect cities faster than ever before. Powerful communication towers coordinate information across entire nations. Public protests grow as citizens question the influence of AI corporations. Autonomous transport systems now operate beneath oceans and across extreme environments. For many children, seeing real nature becomes a rare experience. Military command centers rely heavily on AI simulations and predictive analysis. Drone networks move continuously above futuristic megacities. Advanced healthcare systems monitor patients with intelligent technology. Digital entertainment districts attract millions through immersive experiences. Many citizens feel small beneath powerful AI systems shaping daily life. Autonomous warehouses organize products without human workers. Entire residential districts operate through connected artificial intelligence networks. Some people choose to disconnect, searching for meaning beyond technology.